Welcome to today's daily video, day 37 on the ranch. Starting this morning off by mixing up some milk for the new calves we got. How we do this is pour water up to the neck of this bottle, only because we're not sure exactly how big this bottle is. We're thinking like maybe it's 1.25 liters. Not exactly sure. I gotta get I'll put a little bit more in when I fill it back up again. Then get a scoop of this powdered milk for the calves. Bought it at the animal feed store. And we just whisk it. Gotta make sure all the clumps go away, because I want to make sure they're drinking it all. And when we're done whisking it, obviously we pour it back into this bottle. And we just got our calves last night. We were able to buy their Holstein jersey. We got 10 of those, and I was able to get a pure white Brahmin. And I'm pouring some everywhere. And then there's always a lot of sediment left in there, so that's when I'm gonna put in a little bit more water in there and shake it up and then pour the rest in there. Yeah, I was able to start my herd with 7, 3 female, 4 male Jersey Holsteins, and then I got that white Brahmin. The white Brahmin's a little older, but the Jersey Holsteins were just born maybe less than a week ago, some of them. We went to the auction yesterday. If you watch yesterday's video, you can see what a Costa Rican auction looks like, how that goes. I'm making a real big mess of this. Alright, there we go. Now we only have one more to do. So we got 6 or 7 good bottles, but we've got 10 calves to feed, so we'll have to come back and do this again. But all good to go.
From one of these bigger ones.
But that yellow diarrhea a little bad.
Not that bad.
Not terrible. Getting better.
We'll see. Alright, this one. Hard to give him a lot.
Soft. You think, is it just because they're newborn, or maybe that she has some
Yeah,
parasites?
she's got the same stuff as that other one.
Okay. Dirt in her mouth, girl. It's all good. It's all good, girl. There you go. I was getting a pig's leg out out. Come on, girl. You can drink some more. I gotta find the perfect level to put the bottle so it doesn't make them choke on it. But so they get enough milk to where they don't pull away from it. Alright, so start to choke on it. That was good. Alright, come in for some more. Come on in, girl. Time for more. Time for some more. There you go. That's good. That's good. Drinking good now. Yeah. Hasn't drank enough yet. She's at least drank an eighth of a bottle from me. I'm so glad we got these.
I hope that it starts feeling better, man.
Yeah.
This always seems to happen.
May stress induced a lot of it.
Yeah,
So hopefully that brush will help calm them. Get
they
into
just
more
need
of a
to,
routine
yeah, they
too.
need to get that milk.
Oh, we just got back from one of the feed stores in Bagasse. Now we're gonna give the cows some electrolytes and water. Diarrhea.
Completely calm down.
Yeah.
That's the lights.
So the electrolytes will probably help them absorb the water
Yeah,
better.
we get balance to the digestive system.
Okay.
Starting to look at that little piece of salt. That diarrhea is the most dangerous thing for these little cats.
Okay.
And if they have lots of diarrhea and you keep giving them milk, they can die. They'll dehydrate them more.
Mm-hmm.
But they need milk, so you gotta have a good balance.
It's all good, girl. I guess I call them all girl. No, I
I
don't know. Which one is it?
already know which one's in it. Yeah. Girl, girl, male, 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 girl, male, girl, male.
I can't
The
remember.
only females is the one with the worms.
Yeah.
The two really, really little ones. The black one and the black and white one.
Only black and white.
No, that's not too bad.
Now this is part of his umbilical?
Yeah, that dried up stuff is.
Oh, okay. That'll fall off eventually,
Yeah,
right?
it's not bad.
Too bad they got a brand right there. Like, will it grow out of it, or it'll still be there? The brand?
All right, they didn't look like they did too much.
That's good. Oh yeah, this one's skin, the fur's coming off the back because parasites. More. I didn't notice that. Yeah. Oh, she's headbutting like she would
Yeah.
to her mother,
They all will be soon. Head buttons.
just to try to get the milk.
Yep.
At least they'll be trying to get the milk.
Like that, they'll all be just like that when they're healthy.
Good. They're not as poopy today, all around their body. Kind of cleaned up.
They're in that truck.
Okay.
Just bastard, they're in the gas.
They're already looking better than this morning, or they were just tired this morning.
No, they were real weak.
Yeah.
Yesterday was a big deal. This one still got a lot of snot. This fever's going down, it seems like, though.
Oh, good. There.
Might not be all the way in.
Yeah, it's just on the fur. At least on that one. Hey, that's good. I mean, not that it matters a whole lot, but just preference, I guess, right?
Well, that's good. It's good that it's not on there. And they wouldn't waste a lot of time branding these things.
Yeah.
They're not going to waste a lot.
All right, what's
Keep
next?
the best of that.
Yep. Then we'll come back, give it some milk, and then give it some more water after that. All right, sounds good. Every hour? It's basically 10 o'clock now, so we need.
So they eat a full bottle each.
Okay.
So they're all drink a bottle each.
Okay.
And we'll be satisfied. They're good for like 8-9 hours.
Do you think by tomorrow they'll be eating a whole bottle each?
Hopefully by this afternoon, yeah, here. Give them enough electrolytes and they're drinking water. See if some of them have found the water.
Oh, perfect.
We need to put another thing of water in there. Like just like that, but in another spot. We might not have to separate those.
Okay.
They all hang out right there together by the water.
So I actually put them all in the corral.
Open the gate.
Open the gate to it. Okay. I like the way that brongus looks. With like a little black too in her. They're seeing if they can get out over there. They know they can get out over there. Oh, oh, no. Right. Hey girl. Staying calm. Nice big ears. Yeah, she's got a brand XXL on her back there. I think that's more of like good look. All right. Being in person with her up close, she's taller than I thought. Bigger.
She's strong.
Yeah.
Very strong.
Yeah, I'm really glad I got her. Under 200 bucks too. That's crazy.
It's because of that swollen umbilical, I think. Not that just that, because there were a lot of people bidding on it. It's because it was a good price.
Yeah.
She wasn't too big.
Mhm.
Oh,
Big D. Yeah, he's got parasites because there's a couple. There's one over here too that does. 2, 3. That guy has on his legs. Yeah. Hey, bud. How you doing? You're real friendly. Got poop all over. This guy keeps licking me. Get back, Big D. Perfect.
Okie dokie. Let's go see about getting all them guys back over here.
Yep.
Scared them off. I have another one of those.
Oh, okay. Oh, ho. Oh, ho. Oh, oh, ho, ho. Ho, 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 ho. Keep friendly.
Once one goes over there,
Okay.
we should all keep going.
Ho.